ferry deck is closing behind me. We are heading off to Cebu for the day. We're going to be doing a day trip going up to Expat Falls and Tumalog Falls with Rika and Jessica and Lynn. Those are all friends of Lynn. So come along and check out the day. Hopefully it won't rain. It is low season, it is rainy season, and we'll be getting some rain. But hopefully everything will work out. Okay, so we finally assembled everybody. We got Jessica, Rika, and Lynn. We're all over here in Santander. And the great thing about this day trip is it's really cheap. It only costs 302 pesos round trip. Actually 312 pesos round trip for your motorcycle. And that includes your own ticket on the ferry. Then going up to the waterfalls, the entrance fees are cheap. Habal-habal down to Tumalog and stuff is cheap. And it's a really good way to spend a day on a hot day. Today's not too hot, it's kind of cloudy, which kind of stinks, but we'll get through it. So come along, because we're heading off. We're going to grab a coffee right here, and then we're heading off to Tumalog Falls. We'll go there first. Alright, so the ladies finished up their selfies, and now I'm having a coffee, Nescafe 3-in-1, waiting for Rika and Jessica to return. They had to go to Jessica's to get a backpack or something, so we're having a coffee and relaxing. Gonna have a slow day. Again, hopefully it won't rain, because if it rains it's really gonna throw a monkey wrench into the plans. And hopefully we leave with 4 and we come back with 4, because if we're missing 1 or 2, that could be a problem. Alright, so we have arrived, ladies. Alright, that noise you hear behind me, when you get here, they have habal-habal, and it's 50 pesos round trip down and up to the actual falls area. And I highly recommend that you take the habal-habal for a couple reasons. First off, it's a pretty long walk, and coming back it's really steep. And the habal-habal itself is freaking basically a roller coaster, and you'll see what I mean, because I'm gonna try to do some video as the crazy driver takes us down into the waterfall area. So you see everybody's lined up here. Also, this is a Tuesday, and you see how many people are here. There's all kinds of tour vans lined up outside. So this is definitely a place to go to during the week. You don't want to be coming here on the weekend, because then there's all kinds of Filipinos with their day off coming to check it out. So here they go, they're all getting on. There's Rika, Jessica. Don't forget your number. It's Lynn. It's a constant flow of habal-habals going up and back from this place. All right, so this is the landing area to the actual falls. They got a little bit of concrete walls built here. They got a little place over here where you can buy snacks. And I'm hoping, it doesn't look like there's much water coming down today, which is a shame. I hope there's more. It doesn't look like it's been raining much for some reason here. And it's 20 pesos for the entrance fee to Tumalog Falls, which is like less than 50 cents. So it's pretty sulit. It's a good deal. And I wasn't aware of this, but they got the fish that eat the dead skin off your feet. People are partaking of that. All right. Looks like this has become the ladies' changing section. Oops, sorry. My bad. Ooh, I won't publish that, I promise. No, of course not. So our behind me. People are putting on their bathing suits, gonna go in the cold water. And that water is cold, trust me. My white feet, Lynn's brown feet. Boy, they really like my feet. All right, so after a nice, cold, refreshing dip in the waterfall pool over there, we're getting our feet cleaned by the fish, and my God, it's ticklish. And then we're gonna be heading off to Aguinid for some adventure waterfall exploring right after this. The water's really cold. It's always cold. Every time I've come here, it's been freezing cold, and you can hear people screaming in the background as they're entering the water. All right, so they're calling down the habal-habal drivers. I forgot what my guy looked like. I hope he doesn't get offended when I don't recognize him. And wow, there's a person, a Muslim, wearing a burqa. This is something I haven't seen in this area. Interesting. Burqa, burqa. He must be the boss.